ability to place trade and make profit is always what everybody dream for. But the problem is most people will see the opportunity, but some of them are afraid because of the past mistakes or because of their past experiences. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the I don't know if I can call it the most simplest and the most practical things you can look at for. And once you can see those things, please take your trade. This is an account I am using to build some things. I am using this account to because each time we want to trade something, if each time we want to uh, test our strategy, I will always add small accounts to see how effective it's going to be. Now, let me show you something. This is my today, just this morning history, just this morning history. Now, listen. If you check here, let me see if I can see that of yesterday on. Let me see. February 8th. Yesterday is 8. Watch here. Yesterday is 8. Look at this place. Yesterday, that is 8. All right. This is yesterday. I shifted $15 to my Deriv account. I shifted it to my Deriv wallet. Now, I shifted it to my Deriv wallet. Look at the threads. Look at the red. Look at the blue. Look at the red. Look at the blue. So this is the withdrawal that I made for those who will say that, look at it, this is the balance, this is the money I shifted, that is the minus, you are seeing that place. All right, just look at those things. Look at it. This is today, still counting. Now, what are the things you should look at for? Well, you can ask me, how much did you start with? Because if I didn't show you my deposit, then I just added this thing. That should be on, I think that should be on 3rd. I think that should be on 3rd. That should be on 3rd. Yes, this is 3rd. So on 3rd, I watched this place. I deposited this thing on 3rd. Look at it on 3rd. So on 3rd, I traded with this. Then I think the other time I didn't trade with this. I used another account. Then I don't know if it's either on 5th or thereabouts. I shifted. Look at it. This one, I made a profit of $5 because look at it. I made a profit of $5. So I think I shifted up to this thing, either $20 or thereabout, but I can't fish out that place exactly, the particular date exactly. So just want to show you this one. So I shifted that thing and still have up to, look at this place, I still have up to 13 after shifting 15, 10, and I still have up to 14 or $13 in this place. Do you get that? So why I am showing you these things is, this is what we do mostly, personally myself. This is what I do before I will drop any strategy in the public. I will always use a small account to consider the fate of those who are using small accounts. This is what I always do, so that I will consider their fate, because I have to test if somebody is using $10 for any reason, can this thing work for that person? The answer is yes, if you do what we do. Do you get that? So it's 100% simple and it's obtainable. All right, this is my trend lines. This one here is my trend lines, and it's a breakout. So immediately this market breakout from here, then I know that something is cooking. Those who are on the Telegram group will know that, now what is my base on this market? Now, I have been enjoying this market in my other account. I don't know how to show you. I will have show you these things in the other phones, the other Android phones. This place, I've taken a trade from here that get to this place. So this one, I just entered here now. This place from here to this place. So I marked this thing as a breakout. And this was the one I told them last night that they should be careful about because it's going to be dropping. And from here to this place. So once you see market that looks like this, it's an opportunity for you. But my base of entry that makes me to believe that market will be dropping is this. Look at it. I seen it. Look at it. So even if this candle, even if as this moon is finishing now, I am not panicking, because even in the day trend, the candle that is trending on the day is bullish candle. Are you getting me? So this is bullish candle. So anything that happens on a day trend, anything that happens on this thing, I am not that panicking, because what we to take is a matter of time. After taking those time, it's going to drop. That's one thing I know. But you can ask me, but you have a small account, how are you going to manage this? I'm going to manage it on the condition that there are places in the market that the volume of sellers cannot cross that limit, and I have an account that can carry it at the moment. Now look at the sign. Here is a weak candle and pointing down. Here is a weak candle, which means sellers bullish, the buyers frustrated this one. Secondly, bullish frustrated this one, and bullish also frustrated. These were sellers that tried to take over the market, but finally the market pushed through. I see it. So even this red, even this bearish market you are seeing presently now, this bearish market is nothing, because it can only try to come up, but at a point it will pull down. I seen it. Now look at the indicators window one. Look at the green have start showing a sign, and if this should cross the zero line and start stepping down, by then this thing have started spiking. So what are the things you should look at for once market is concerned? Let me remove this so that you will see what I'm saying. So what are the things you should look at for? One, watch out when market is in either will I call it downtrend or uptrend. That is what I'm talking. So look out for a market, follow these things, like as you are seeing this thing here. What this thing is trying to explain from this place, now follow this thing, is that this market will get to a point, it will reach to this very 80 levels to 90 levels before it will start reversing. Are you get what I'm saying? This is 4 hours time frame. So watch the candle that is trending. So even this candle you are seeing here now, it will get to a point, if this thing will make a move down to this place, since I place a trade, it's an opportunity, the more opportunity. So anytime you want to trade, and like boom 1000 is an opportunity for anyone that want to do scalping, which is buying, anyone that want to catch a spike, which is buying. Do you get that? So it's as simple as anything, if you can just carefully and patiently and discipline yourself to enter at the right time. So what are the things you are looking at for? Look at for this Vigo line. Look at it. This Vigo line, follow it. Is this Vigo line pointing up or is it pointing down? Look at it. It's still pointing down, which means that the strength of this market going down is still strong. I seen it. Then go to 1 hour time frame. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you'll still see that even though it's not at this place, but it's not showing a sign that it's not resting at the lower, it's not resting at 90, which means it's not something like this that is pointing that it's going to come up like this. So as it is now, it's possible for this thing to pull down so that it will get to the 90 before this market will reverse and become a very strong um seller's position, it will first touch 90. So all these things you are seeing are nothing, because it has the ability to go down. It has more strength to go down than to, it has more strength to pull back like this than for it to come down like this. So always have that at the back of your mind. So all these things you are seeing is practical things that will do to beg people, please, please stop fooling yourself. Stop fooling yourself. The more you are trying to learn, the more you are trying to raise the money, the more you are losing it. Can't you see that the knowledge you have is not enough? Can't you see that it's not the fault of the market, it's your fault? Can you inject somebody when you don't know how to handle strange? That is the problem. That you raise money to place, that you raise money uh, to deposit in the reef doesn't make you a forex trader. That you have been managing to be placing trade for 5 years doesn't make you a forex trader. There are technical things you don't know. There are backgrounds you don't know. That is why anybody that are with me, one of the things I will do is to make sure that you know the truth. Even though it may sound like it's not true, but I will make sure you know the truth. So knowing the truth, because even the Bible said, "I shall know the truth, and the truth shall set us free." So it's better I will tell you the truth, because I believe in karma. If my intention is to take money from you, dupe you or whatever, I believe in karma, because somebody else will do the same thing to me. But if that is not in my mind, I will tell you the truth, believe it or not. That is what will make you to be successful in forex world. But you want something that will happen, like the more you look, the less you see. I will tell you the background. I will tell you the truth. Anyone that have watched, anyone that have been on my mentorship class, please, whatever I've told you before, whatever you have learned from me, practice them, you will succeed. I have men that are doing. I have men that can send $200, $500 to me and say thank you for opening my eyes. I don't know. So please pay attention and help yourself, okay?